Welcome to Mojo Friday. This is Joe Lesh from Booth Camp and VoiceOver Extra. Today's topic, Stumped? Whether you're new to VoiceOver or a seasoned pro, we all get to a point where we question ourselves. Maybe the work isn't coming in as frequently as we'd like. Or for the newbies out there, no work yet. We search ourselves to find reasons for the lack of work, and therefore we are stumped. What kind of marketing are you doing for your business? Do you have a mobile-first website? According to Google, you may be overlooked in search engine results if you are not mobile-first ready. Have you placed all your eggs in one basket, such as planning to get all of your work from a single pay-to-play site? If this is your strategy, you need to think outside the booth. Be sure that all of your friends and family have your demo. Many jobs come through people you know and the people they know. Are you mixing in with the VoiceOver crowd in your area or online? Some of those people may not be right for a particular job, but you may be. How would they know to recommend you if you're not even in the mix? Are you using social media to promote yourself? Take an acting class to improve your voiceover skills. Find a workshop and be sure to ask questions while you're there about marketing, finding other ways to make yourself known, and how to stand out in a crowd. There are plenty of things you can do to further your voiceover career. You don't have to remain stumped. This is Joe Lesh from Booth Camp Online. There's a subscribe button on my YouTube channel. It should be right about there. Be sure to click it. And join me for Mojo Friday, the first and third Friday of each month here at VoiceOver Extra for voiceover tips from Booth Camp. It's time to get your mojo working.